smell it. It's an aromatic herb, native plant. So that's the easiest one to remember because it's got that nice scent.
Yeah.
And that's the most common plant you'll find in coastal sage scrub. And then you have this plant that's about ready to flower. This is in California, it's Celia. Some people call it bush sunflower. You can see the yellow flowers coming out.
Yeah.
That's another common plant. Yeah, anything outside the fence. Old dried seed heads. And buckwheat is very important for most of our moths and butterflies. This is their host plant. So if you come back in February and you just stare at any buckwheat, you'll see caterpillars all over. You might even find them. So this is another dominant plant. So you have three now. You have the little holly.
This is coyote sage.
Coyote brush.
Coyote brush. Okay.
So coyote brush, probably the only one.
What's this one right here?
This is an annual. Coastal sage scrub, the plant community type, is usually defined by the shrubs, the perennial shrubs. But there's a host of native annuals that come up in the spring and die off in the fall. And this is telegraph. It's like forensic botany. You're trying to identify it when it's dead. This is lemonade berry. It's interesting to look at the difference between the plant leaves, because these leaves, if you feel them, they're really leathery and thick. And that's why it can stay green year-round. That's how it deals with the drought conditions. We're in a Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean means it's dry for a good portion of the year, and then it rains only one other portion of the year. So it rains in the winter, and then it's dry all summer. And so all the plants here have to be adapted to dealing with the long, dry summer. Lemonade berry deals with it by having these waxy, leathery leaves. And it's called lemonade berry because its berries are actually edible, and they're kind of sweet. So they're red and goopy. If you ever look at them in the spring, they'll be red and goopy, and you can just eat it, and it's kind of a sweet tart taste. And the Artemisia, it deals with the Native Americans had a use for all of these. But this is it. This is coastal sage scrub. This is coastal California wilderness. This is what our wildlands look like.
Yeah.
They don't get much taller than 5 feet. The same plant community through this whole area. Kitten mewing, like, sounds kind of nasally. And they don't have a song, they just make that. That's it. But they're pretty cool. Alright guys.
Thank you
so much.
You're welcome. Have you been on this trail before?
Yeah.
Okay, because I was going to tell you where it goes.
I'm going to talk about the types of sage scrubs. The main different types of sage scrubs are California sagebrush, black sage, white sage, California buckwheat, brittle bush, golden yarrow, with larger shrubs, toyon and lemonade berry, along with other shrubs. And I have some shrubs here. This one's called the lemonade berry. It has waxy leaves to hold in moisture when during arid climates. It also has the berries that are also edible. And then I have buckwheat, which we discussed in class, which you are able to make pancakes out of. I have California sage scrub, which is the most common scrub found in this area. There's also coyote scrub, which is indigenous to this area, and Cecilia.
Coastal sage scrub is a lowland plant community found in California chaparral and woodlands ecoregion of California, north and Baja. The shrubs are mostly drought deciduous and soft chaparral, which are adapted to a semi-arid and Mediterranean climate of the coastal lowlands.
Southern California coastal sage scrub is found along the coast in central and southern California, from the Bay of San Francisco through Los Angeles to Orange County and through San Diego.
One unique thing about coastal sage scrub is they found the smallest field mouse here in Dana Point, and so they fenced it off so the mouse is able to live here, and before they found it here they thought it was extinct, and so it's only here and in Camp Pendleton. I love sage.
Can you say I'm getting back? I'll put some